Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to add a unique touch to your room, installing wallpaper on your ceiling might be the perfect project for you. Today, we'll guide you through the process of installing wallpaper on your ceiling like a pro. Let's elevate your decor to the next level. 1. Prepare your materials. First things first, gather all your materials. You'll need your chosen wallpaper adhesive, a ladder, a smoothing brush, a roller, a utility knife, and a measuring tape. Make sure to choose a wallpaper adhesive suitable for ceiling applications to ensure a strong hold. 2. Prepare the room. Next, prepare your room. Move furniture out of the way and cover the floor with a drop cloth to protect it from drips of adhesive. It's also a good idea to remove any light fixtures from the ceiling, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted surface to work on. 3. Measure and cut the wallpaper. Measure your ceiling and cut your wallpaper strips accordingly. Remember to allow a few extra inches on each strip for trimming later. It's helpful to use a straight edge and a level to ensure your cuts are straight and your patterns will align correctly. 4. Apply the adhesive. Now, let's apply the adhesive. Apply the adhesive evenly onto the back of the wallpaper using a roller. Let it sit according to the adhesive instructions. 5. Installing the first strip. Start from the area directly above your main focal point. Use your ladder to reach the ceiling and carefully place the first strip starting from one edge. Press the paper against the ceiling, smoothing it out with a brush as you go to remove any bubbles. 6. Continue with remaining strips. Continue applying each strip edge to edge, making sure to match the patterns between strips. Overlap the edges slightly to avoid gaps due to shrinking as the wallpaper dries. Smooth each strip as you did with the first to ensure a flat and professional look. 7. Trim and clean up. Once all the wallpaper is up, use a utility knife to trim any excess material along the edges. Be sure to do this carefully to get a clean, straight line. Congratulations! You have successfully installed wallpaper on your ceiling. This can really enhance the look of any room, adding depth and intrigue. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects.